Give us more details of the letter that you've written to DG Sanjay Pandey.
Yes, I met the police chief, Director General Sanjay Pandey yesterday, and I gave him a letter in which I expressed my concern over what is happening in Maharashtra, that NCB has come into the focus and a minister is attacking the investigation officer, which for any agency it is a wrong thing. For any government it is a wrong thing. A person is fighting against drugs, which is a very difficult and a brave thing. And we appreciate what Samir Wankhede has done. If he was corrupt, then he could have gone with the drug mafia and earned a lot of money. Why should he fight against drugs? He fought against drugs, arrested around 300 people, and just because some Bollywood actor's son is arrested, you create a hue and cry. Just because the minister's son-in-law has been arrested, and mind you, his son-in-law has been left on bail. He has not been freed, and the case still stands. So, victimization of an officer to save your own kith and kin is not acceptable by the public or the law. Now, second issue is that I have expressed my desire, and from beginning I am fighting for this, that all government agencies should work in an integrated fashion. In 1992 itself, I had met Sanjay Pandey when he was in narcotics. And from that day, I have been demanding a task force in Mumbai against drug terrorism. They have not done it. Because you require a task force approach where NCB, Mumbai Police, ED, Director General of Revenue Intelligence, Income Tax, all these people work together as one agency so that there are no conflicts or no such thing emerges as has happened now.
Right.
Because drug is the biggest threat to national security.
Now,
and also...
Brigadier Sawant, you refer to conflict between agencies. Can you elaborate what you mean by that?
See, I have been working on this. I was also in a military intelligence at one time, and we have been finding that sharing information between agencies is impossible. I have seen and I worked practically and seen that agencies work against each other. They put each other down. They arrest people of the other agency. And when the thing is of drugs, and that is why big cartels are not caught. In India, the big cartels are ruling the country. This is not what I have said. This is ORA committee has said. ORA committee is a committee of all intelligence agencies of India, which I got constituted. Till now, all agencies have not sat on one table. I got the ORA committee constituted, and they have written that this country is ruled by cartel of politicians, drug mafia, and corrupt bureaucrats. They have written in 1993 after Mumbai blast. And
now
till
Brigadier
today,
Sawant, there is also a vigilance probe that is currently on against Samir Wankhede. How do you see that?
That is all right. It is a routine matter because when there is allegation against someone, because now NCB is working in Maharashtra, and if Maharashtra government is not happy about it, then the central agencies would like to find out why this has happened and what are the steps taken to seek cooperation. Because a central agency cannot work in a state without the cooperation of the state government. This is very clear. But now what has happened? Politics. Now center agencies are BJP agencies and state agencies are Congress or whatever the that government, state government. So this kind of thing, and now what is most damaging is that agencies are getting caught in the crossfire of politics. And it is not that I know Samir Wankhede for many years, and such an honest and clean officer I have not found, and an officer with courage to fight the drugs. The first time I'm witnessing here in Maharashtra of NCB. And now when NCB is doing a good job, you suddenly bring in when he was married, what is his birth certificate, what is his wife doing, what is his father doing. Is that the issue before us? The public is concerned about their children dying of drugs, and that is not discussed. Now Mr. Minister says that he is a Muslim. What is this kind of idiocy that has come into the public life? It is very damaging to the security establishment. And now I'll tell you one thing. If Samir Wankhede is removed or taken action against for some reason, nobody will fight against drugs in future.
Now, Brigadier Sawant, you were talking about the fact that you feel that politicians are dragging in his wife as well as, his family into this. Now, we understand that the NCW has also received a complaint from Yasmin Wankhede. How do you see that?
This is a spurious complaint. They are character assassinating a good officer so that the drug probe is stopped. And whoever is doing it is working for the drug mafia. Because drug mafia has got reaches beyond limits. Big politician, everybody is under their domain. Now Dawood Ibrahim is sitting in Pakistan and he is controlling drugs coming from Afghanistan, working with ISI, pushing drugs in India and all over the world. And he's one of the richest men, along with Ambani, in the world today. And here we are talking about petty things of Samir Wankhede's marriage. He is stupid. Now, when national security issues are entangled, you are going to defame a good officer. Who will work for this? Because everybody will say, okay, we are also with drug mafia. Okay. And so that procedure can go on. Indian children can die. Like Punjab youth has been destroyed, Indian youth can be destroyed. This is what the result of this is.
Right, Brigadier Sudhir Sawant, appreciate your joining us right now on Republic TV. Thank you for speaking to us.
Thank you.